to hit the home run. Team Asylum is bringing it home. Are you ready? Your goal is to hit the ball 50 times. Okay, 50 home runs. 5, 4, the pitch is up. Grand slam, go! Use your core, come on, go. Come on, keep your form. Bend into it, bend into it. Don't lean back, please, don't lean back. Keep it centered, keep it centered. Boom, look, come on, come on, come on. Come on, go, 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 go. That's right. Come on, keep the hit by your chest. Keep it here. You're hitting over my head. Keep it here. Don't hit over my head. Hit my hand. There you go. Boom. The ball's right here. The ball's right here. Come on. Swing right at me. Swing right at me. Hit it. I'm pitching to you. Boom. I'm pitching to you. Stay with me. Stay with me. I'm pitching to you. Come on. Go. Go. Keep hitting it. Keep hitting it. Keep hitting it. Go as fast as I throw. Come on. You got to hit those home runs. You got to get it. I'm powering them to you. Come on. Team Asylum. Get it, y'all. Keep it going. Keep it going. Come on. Come on. Keep going. 10 seconds. Come on, Rach. Come on. Come on. 8, 7. Finish strong. 6, 5, 4. Hit the home run, Rach, as hard as you can. Go. Boom. Yeah, good job. Way to work. Way to push. Awesome, awesome, awesome job, guys. All right, let's shake it up. Shake it up. Shake it out, shake it out. Grab your water. You need it. We're going to stretch. All right, guys. You did really good. You went through all your sports.
You can do it.
We're going to cool down.